Hangzhou Right Angle Cable Technology Company Limited is a company specializing in the communication cable industry, established in 2018. Our main products are coaxial cable, Ethernet cable, telephone cable, and alarm cable. We are experienced in the communication cable industry. We have obtained the EU CE certificate and CPR ECA level test report. Our products are hosteling in EU countries. Meanwhile, we have exported products to worldwide countries like Europe, Asia, South America, Africa, and Oceania. Our company is located in Lin'an, Hangzhou, with superior geographical location and convenient transportation. We have long-term and stable cooperation with airlines and shipping companies, so that we have great advantages of delivery the goods to customer on time and in good condition. Door-to-door service is our popular way service for customers, which is resting at home and waiting the products come to your shop or warehouse directly. Hangzhou Yilian Communication Technology Company Limited is our associated factory, specializing in the research and development production of cables, which have high efficiency productivity, stable quality, and customer-first concept, which is favored by the majority of customers. We have self-owned brand, Right Angle Cable, also accept OEM and ODM orders. We have professional service team and department of support services working for customization orders. Looking forward to working with you for win-win cooperation and common development. Welcome to contact us. Thank you.